Hello YouTube. So this is, as you can see, this is my French door refrigerator with a bottom freezer, and it's a Kenmore model 111.733.05910. And the problem I'm having with it is the ice maker in the bottom down here, and I'll show you, is, excuse the mess, if you can see in here, the fingers in the picture, is you can see the ice there. So basically it's turned over about a quarter of the way, but it won't dump ice. So I'm going to try a couple different ways to fix this problem. And the first thing I'm going to do is pretty simple. I'm actually just going to turn off the breaker and turn it back on, and we'll see if that'll reset the cycle. And I've heard that that's happened before for other people. And if you hear that beeping, that's just the alarm telling me, hey dummy, you left the freezer open. So we'll try that and see how it works. All right, so this is the breaker box. All right, so let's read these. So 13 says the refrigerator. And let's turn off the whole kitchen just to see. Okay, I did in fact verify the power was out in the kitchen and in the refrigerator. So let's turn it back on. 8. And 13. All right, now it looks to me like it reset back into the flat position. So I'm hoping that over time it's gonna drop. We'll see about that. This will solve this problem for me and for a lot of you without calling a repairman, because you know, if they show up, it's automatic $100 just to show up and say, hey, I'm going to turn your power off and back on. There's that pesky alarm again. So good luck. Let's see if this works for me and for you. Check it out. It's been about 4 hours. So that solved our problem. And look at that. No problem. We made some ice. And let's look at the machine. Looks like it reset back to the correct position. All right, we're ready to go. Back in business. That was an easy fix. Didn't cost us any money, just reset the breaker.